In this tutorial, we're going to create a new page, and then we're going to link from our index page to the new page. So at the top here, we've got add file. So we click on that and we're going to just add a bio, so a very, very short biography. And so bio.html. That opens up a new page called bio.html. Now we have to set this page up so the browser knows that it is a HTML page, and then we have to lay it out and create some initial formatting. So hopefully you can remember some of this. So it is doc type HTML, so exclamation mark doc type HTML, and then we open up with the first tag, which is HTML. When we open a tag, we have to close that tag. So I'm doing this now because I could go through all of the step line by line by line, but I might forget that final closing tag. So it's important that as you open a tag, you close it. Okay, so we indent it slightly. Now we can always hit the auto format, but let's try and keep this as accurate as possible. So at the very top we have the header. So head, and then open the head. So we're going to close, and within that, now before we had the meta character set, we can actually skip that, and all we're going to add here is the title. And this is my bio. That's all we'll use. That's all we'll use in the title. And then we're going to have the body tag. There's the body tag. And in here we're going to have the title. So we're going to open this with a H1, and I'm going to put my name. You can put your nickname. That's fine. And a very short paragraph about me. And close that p tag. Okay, so we've got our page. One thing we're going to add to this is a picture, but first what we're going to do is we're going to link it, or get the index page linking to this page, because right now if we run this, all that loads is the index page, because the way this works, and the way that every website actually works, every web server works, is when you call the website, when you go to a website, you never type the full page in. You never go to amazon.com/index.html, even though they have that kind of default page. So we're in the same situation. We've got this website, and it goes to the index page. It doesn't go to this bio page. So what we're going to do is, in the index page, we're going to actually link to this bio page. So we click on index, and just after body, just before school subjects, we're going to put a navigation in. Now we're going to use the term nav. Let me close that nav. There's a reason for this, because we're going to style it later on using CSS, and we can use that nav to help us do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to place a link, and this is a href link, and we're going to link that to bio.html. Close that a tag. So in between this a tag, we're going to just add the word bio. So what we have here is we have an a tag, and this is open and closed here. And this a tag contains this href, which is a link to this web page, which is the bio.html here. And the word that we want it to appear will be bio. So if we refresh this page, what we should see is bio, and you can see that it's underlined, it's a link. So when we click on this, it should take us to the bio page. Now at the moment there's no way back, and what I'll be expecting you to do is add a navigation to the bio page that will get us back to the index page. So now in the index page, what we do actually need is a link home anyway. This is not uncommon, so we're going to add another ahref, and we're going to equal that to index.html, and home, and then close that tag. So this is our navigation here. I'm going to refresh this. So we've got home and we've got bio. The home doesn't take us anywhere here because it just relinks us to our home page, but the bio obviously takes us here. So what I would like you to do now is add the navigation to your bio page, and in the next tutorial we're going to add an image to our bio page.